Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today we have some pretty dope pickups that I managed to get last week. I was lucky enough to get these last week when they dropped for retail, and bro, I gotta say, this collab right here is probably one of the best collabs of this year. Well, Nike collabs this year. And bro, like at first I was just gonna keep some of them, but then like after seeing them in hand, it's like I might keep them all. So if you guys didn't know, actually I boxed one of these colorways pretty early, like a week early or so, and you know, I uploaded that video. And now when the actual release came, I tried to go for all of them again, and I actually managed to hit on one of the colorways on a Nike sneaker app, and those came in, and I actually hit for another colorway overseas. So I got all three colorways. I'm gonna show you guys, and like I said, this is probably one of the best Nike collab of this year in my opinion. And let's take a closer look at these pickups. So obviously they come in this black Nike box, nothing really special, you know, just black box, that's it. And now for the first colorway that I managed to get was, as I dropped it, the first colorway I managed to get is this white and Volt colorway. Now I managed to get these overseas. I was up like around like 3 in the morning, and you know, Europe releases, over here in the East Coast they drop at 3 o'clock in the morning, and I was up and I managed to get this pair right here. And for this pair I actually got a size 8, and if you guys know, for the acronym Prestos, they don't make half sizes, so they only have 8, 9, 10. And yeah, I managed to grab a size 8. My size is usually a size 9, but I was gonna try it to see if these fit me. If they fit me, then I was gonna keep them maybe, because you know, it's a size 8. But I tried them on and they actually fit perfect. They fit snug, but it's nothing like too crazy. And this colorway right here was probably my least favorite out of all three. Obviously, as you guys know, I did that early review on the cotton candy colorway, which is this one right here, and this was a must. So this is my first pair, and then I managed to grab this pair, and this was my least favorite one. But like after seeing them in person, this colorway is hard. You got that Volt on this collar area, and obviously your toe is white with that black Nike swoosh right there, and it has this kind of like like a zebra print going on the heel area and on the toe area. And I don't know, man, you got this black cage, white Nike swoosh right there on the midsole. Your midsole is like black and then goes on white on the back, pretty much black midsole, and then your bottoms are white with like black hits. And obviously, since this is an acronym Presto, you have the zippers going on, and your insole is the same as the other one. It's an all white insole, Nike Air times acronym, and it's like kind of like a leather type feel to it. And like I said, I was debating on selling this shoe right here, but these are just too clean. Just look at that white, black, and that hit of Volt on the collar area. You can't go wrong. Like, this shoe is actually nice. This is really dope colorway in my opinion, and like I said, it was my least favorite, but now like I don't even know, like the shoe goes hard. But that's one of the colorways that I managed to get on release date, And let's get onto the next one. Now onto the next one that I managed to grab off the Nike sneaker wrap. I was actually kind of surprised that I hit, and this was actually the colorway that I was going for. Like, I already had a cotton candy colorway, and this is the other colorway that I wanted, and I managed to get him off the Nike sneaker wrap. And bang, we have the the cool gray acronym Prestos right here. And boy, this is a clean shoe. It's in all black, hits of white, and obviously you got that cool gray on the toe area and on the bottom. And this shoe is just clean. This pattern that they have on the cage and on the toe area, it just gives it that pop. It doesn't have a lot of pop to it, like obviously like this, you know, has that pink and blue, and then on this one you got that volt. This is more of a subtle kind of colorway, but I just like the way that this pattern right here just pops on this shoe. Very, very dope. Black, white, and obviously gray on this shoe. And like, this shoe is just clean. You can wear it with anything pretty much. And there's a little closer look at that pattern right there on the cage, on the toe box. You know, just a clean, simple colorway. That nice cool gray with the black Nike check right there. And it does say acronym right here. Black laces, and then your bottom is gray, hit a black right there. This completed the whole acronym collection. We have the cool grays, we have that cotton candy one, and then we have that white and volt colorway. Out of all three, the pink one, the racer pink, and the blue colorway is my favorite one. Obviously this colorway is not for everyone because this colorway is pretty loud, a lot of going on, a lot of colors. My second one has to be this cool gray. Like I said, simple colorway, you can wear it with anything pretty much. And then this one has to be the last one, that white volt, white and black. And yeah guys, that is pretty much going to be it for this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys managed to snag a pair on a Nike sneaker wrap or whatever. And surprisingly, there's not really much resale value on any of these. I think this one right here is probably going over $100 over retail. And keep in mind, retail on these shoes was $200, and I'm pretty sure this one right here is only going for like $300 or so on like StockX. And then last time I checked, these two colorways right here, they weren't even going for that much on StockX. So if you guys want to snag a pair, make sure to go over StockX and check that out. But who knows, maybe in the future the prices will go up. I have no clue, but happy to have these in a collection. And yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.